Morning guys, morning looks, but it's okay. We're just getting ready to go to my sister's house. I'm still a little bit sick. Guys, Siaosi and I got back from Samoa and we both got the runs. Pretty bad. We don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a weather change or something we ate, but my little nephew Evan, he came back from Samoa like over a week ago and he's still got it. So we're not sure what's going on there.
My tummy hurts so much. It's from Samoa. Still cold. But
and we've got a cold as well. Blocked nose, achy body.
Hope we get better soon.
Yep.
And we're going to have some breakfast now.
And guys, I feel so sick. Honestly, I just feel sick. We've got to make sure that we're warm, honey, because we don't want to get any more sick. I don't even have any Vicks. I don't even have any like cold or flu tablets. I just miss my grandma so much. I want to show you guys what I got from Samoa. It's a little bit similar like a tanoa, but not quite. It's got designs inside. Very, very, very nice. Oh, and it was -4 degrees last night. So we're here at my sister's house now, about to make some cocolesa.
I haven't tasted that because I'm back on the wireless. So, wireless, do I click on the...
You need way more water than that.
Yeah.
Damn, boy, I thought you was teaching me, but I'm teaching you. Siaosi and I are a bit undecided on how cocolesa should be made. My mum has taught me, growing up, a certain way to do it. And he's done it a different way. So comment down below which way you guys do it. But I boil the water first, like so. There's nothing in there whatsoever. And then you have to balu the coco to like crush it up. And then you pour it in, and then you pour in the rice last. He pours in the rice first, and that makes it soggy. I don't like soggy cocolesa. Yes.
Soggy.
Soggy.
And then
It's not nice. Comment down below. Look at my hair. Comment down below how you guys make it. Is my way the right way, or is his way the right way? Well, I guess there's no right way, but like, which one is the more common way?
What way it's not good like that.
Are you just saying that my mom didn't make it right?
Yeah. My mom didn't make it right.
Excuse me, I'm gonna fly kick your mouth.
My mom didn't make it right. Girls, not listen to me.
I just made some fruit salad. And we're gonna have it with Gippsland blueberry yogurt. It's gonna be good because I have not had that much nutritional food since New Zealand. So there's our brekkie festy. I made cocoa rice. Yummy, yummy. Cocoa rice. Guys, this fruit salad is the bomb. So yummy. Oh my god, I'm in heaven. I'm just say hi.
Yummy.
I am quite yummy. Mum, say hi to the viewers.
Hello.
Say hi to the family.
Hello everyone. We have some morning tea.
I sent it already, Mum. I bought it for you.
My breakfast this morning is so nice. Especially the cocolesa. Make my tummy hurt.
Don't lie, honey.
Oh, I'm so tummy. To be honest. No guys, it's not a cocolesa. My tummy is hurting from Samoa. When I arrived here, it's still going still pain. Maybe we missed the food in Samoa. Yeah, that's why we so tummy. We need more food from Samoa. Tara, make big one.
So we're here at Nell's game now. It's pretty chilly. Hey Billy.
Hi, Billy, don't give
We don't know where Darnell is at the moment. Oh, he's over there. So we're gonna have to walk all the way around, which is pretty good because I had some fruit salad today. Now I'm gonna go for a nice little stroll.
London.
Now! Run! Touch the leg!
Oh, he's good.
Down out! Now! I gotta stop eating like that. I don't start to have, guys.
No, but he.
Like as small as he, like a time of the lowest. Come back here, so
Oh, Zaya, look, he's here.
Look at his hair. It's so cute.
If you want to take your hat off, go sit in the car. It's too cold.
Oh, Tanky. Oopsies. Oh, Tanky. Look at my flower. It's so cute. Aww. Thank you, Messiah. I got back the other day. Can I warm my hands in your back? What am I be?
so cute.
Fit big man. He's over there.
Bigger man down now.
There's bigger man.
There's a bigger man down now.
Everyone's cute.
Wanna play for under 11s? Over there.
Back here again for breakfast number 2. For Molly, anyways.
Breakfast all day.
I didn't even eat. Did you go? Girl, you ate. And I got my natural orange juice. Hey, big man, skadoodle face.
There.
I'm picking up my cousins and my uncle and auntie tomorrow from Sydney Airport. We're hiring a van to go and pick them up because they ain't got no ride, obviously, and it's about a 3-hour drive from where we are. You guys can come along with us. Siosi's being so rude to me.
Because he's so rude to us. She rules us.
Not she rule.
Yeah, she's so rude to us.
Why?
We talking at the front and he's going inside the room and sitting on ass on the hole.
Ass on the hole. Ass on the hole.
Sitting your asshole.
Honey, what are you saying?
Yeah, sure. Hello everyone, we're here at the mall to do some little shop. Oh, it's Saturday. It's almost 3 o'clock with my everyone. This beautiful lady of mine.
Well,
Is that nice?
I don't know, my cheeks are really red.
Yeah, we're here at the mall doing some shop and eat some food. Is that right?
Yep.
Hello, Evan.
Hi,
What a Suki. Hey. Stop. Want some babies? See mom. See mom. No, you don't.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Marla.
You.
Hey, vira a pouco. Ela se pisca.
May lang si pick up le. This is abuse. Molly, can you tell everyone, roast her in the comments right now. Tell her she's a big fat loser. You want everybody, you want to see her cry? Ow! She tore my face off. What you staring at, huh? Why are you trying to focus on me, huh? Hi! Molly, how much is it?
$1.
2?
Yeah.
I've got 2, but that was for the trolley.
Right.
Do we need it for the trolley or for his ride?
Oh, yeah.
Which one's more important?
You get a basket there.
Which one's more important? Evan, do you really want to do this?
We can get the free baby one.
You better get on, Evan.
Ready?
Put him on, Molly. What's wrong with Siaosi?
I'll show up.
Ah, yeah. Molly, you jump on the other one. See, I just wasted my $2. He better get on. Woohoo!
Oh my gosh, it just stopped. It just stopped.
Go, Molly! La paix, le meilleur. La Kenzo, le meilleur. We're going up to Sydney tomorrow to pick them up from the airport. So we've got to get them some snacks and stuff so they can snack on. So like drinks, make sandwiches, some fruit. Oh, we can give them some donuts as well. I love me some licorice. I got the Black Knight licorice. It's my fave licorice. Do you like the licorice, honey?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
Hey!
Smells like
And what?
sushi.
Whatever.
Barbecue.
Siaosi reckons it tastes like the barbecue sauce. You know the sauces that you marinate your chicken in?
Here at the airport in Canberra to pick up this Kia van for my cousin from Samoa coming tomorrow. Hope we're going together with my wife, but now we separated. Different car. Going different car tomorrow.
Yeah, we really wanted to go together, but it's really expensive for a 12-seater van. I know, right? Look how big this car is. It's pretty spacious. It's going to be plenty of room for them. Pretty big. Siaosi will come in this car. We've decided. Loca. Huh?
Oh shit. Baby, what
Yeah.
now we off now.
Hey guys, we've just stopped off at Macca's to get a little bit of breakfast. We got a bacon and egg muffin, according to Siaosi. What's it called, honey?
Bacon and egg muffin.
He was like, made up muffin.
Baby,
Hmm?
I love you.
Love you.
Wow, that is so beautiful. The sun is rising. Oof, so beautiful. Sun is rising up. Oh, the camera cannot catch it. Not as good as the naked eye. But that is amazing. Oh my god. It's so beautiful.
to the viewers.
Hi everyone.
He's in the car behind me. Can y'all see that? Guys, we're finally here in Sydney. And I'm pretty tired, to be honest. Oh, honey, why didn't you get my Red Bull? I've got a missed call from my sister. I'm gonna pretend that we crashed the car. I'm gonna say that you crashed your car.
Crashed your?
I'll say you crashed the car. The rental. Shh. Molly.
Yeah? What happened?
Siaosi crashed the car.
How?
He tried to merge lanes.
Oh, you guys alright?
Well, we're on the side of the road.
Who was that for?
Siaosi.
Oh, okay. So, where are you guys now?
We just passed the third Bumble and we're just parked on the side of the road, and the other driver's not very happy.
Is it drivable?
Yeah, it wasn't like a crash, but the side of the car's damaged.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's not come up. Is Siaosi alright?
He's really scared
Why?
because I was yelling at him.
Yeah, that's what you can control. Stupid. Where is he?
Oh, I left him. He's like all the way over there.
Well, go back to your husband, hold your temper and your anger until a good time, and comfort him.
Oh, I can't. I'm so angry at him.
Well, Vicky, you need to let it go. If your husband died in a car crash, are you going to still be angry at him? There are worse things that could have happened to your husband, and you're too busy worrying about a car that can cost money that can just be paid to be fixed. See if your freaking husband is alright.
Molly,
What?
can I tell you something?
What?
You just been pranked! Say hi to the viewers!
Well, yeah.
Huh?
But you didn't really prank him. You were prank yourself, stupid.
What?
I said you didn't prank me, you got pranked yourself.
How did we prank ourselves?
The other 3 out of people saying, what the hell? That's what you wanted.
Yeah, she actually reacted reasonably well.
Yeah, I'm a reasonably cool, calm-collected person.
Whatever. And she was like, anyways, I thought it was going to be pretty funny, but it wasn't that funny.
Waiting for 2 hours.
No, we've almost been waiting 2 hours.
No.
We called them and they said that they're delayed because my uncle didn't know where to pick up his or something like that. My hair's been so disgusting. Because I wasn't washing my hair with my normal shampoo overseas. I usually use the argan oil one with no sulfates. But yeah, they didn't have that there. So I need to get back into my hair care treatment. So I just picked up my children. And they have the funniest stories. I love spending time with them. They're so funny.
Are they actually?
No, you guys, I'm talking about you. Ah, it's so cold. Do you guys like feeling the cold? I miss Samoa.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it.